Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So, as always, if you're watching and recording, you're welcome to fast forward 5 minutes or stay with us through hellos.
He said, oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, well, he,
Good morning, Alice. Good morning, Maria. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Mary. All right, it is time for us to start. And yesterday we did the pillar of light practice, activating this knowing within, I am the light. It's one of the tools within the Ho'oponopono bigger practice. And today we'll go a little bit deeper and explore applying this pillar of light practice mantra to any challenging situation or person, any trigger in your life. So let's dive right into it. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice. Starting with the external circumstances, notice the sounds around you, the temperature of the air, whatever other sensations that you can perceive, the sensations of the world that immediately surrounds you. And little by little, start going more inward, going in and in, noticing how you are feeling today, physically, emotionally, mentally. How does it feel to be me right now? And instead of finding words, perhaps just feel it, embody it, sense. Allow your breath to be soft, comfortable, easy, without any forcing. Simply notice how your breath flows in and out, how it feels as you inhale, as you exhale. See if you can become your breath. So not just watch it, but really be your breath. Invite effortlessness into your body, softening from the inside out. Releasing all the obvious tension. Now ground through your feet or your sits bones if you're sitting up, or through the entire back of your body if you're lying down. You can visualize growing roots into the center of the earth, anchoring yourself in this energy of the earth. And at the same time, connect with the heavens, with the sky, with the source of all creation, through the crown of your head if you're sitting, through the whole front body if you're lying down. We're going to start by repeating the Ho'oponopono verse together 3 times. as I have been doing lately, I'm gonna just recite the verse, making pauses in between the lines so that we can say them together. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a nice cleansing breath in and out. And now bring to mind something that triggers you or has triggered you this morning, or maybe triggered you yesterday or recently. Maybe a person or a particular situation, a word. So just bring that to mind and notice how this trigger feels in your body. Where do you feel it? How does it feel? As agitation, anxiety, anger, frustration, well, whatever it is for you. Or maybe it's more physical sensations like heat, coolness, tingling, butterflies in your stomach. Again, whatever it is, acknowledge it without trying to push it away. And just kind of have it in your vision. The situation, person, whatever the trigger is. And now visualize yourself as this pillar of light. So the light comes out of your heart and then surrounds you, kind of cocoons you. And at the same time, the light comes into your body through the crown, through your feet. So there is this constant exchange of light energy from your heart into the universe, from the universe into your crown and your feet and back into your heart. So cocoon yourself nicely in this light. Notice its color, its texture. And as you visualize yourself as this pillar of light, repeat several times, or you can just continuously repeat it throughout the whole practice. I am the light. I am the light. I am the light. As you do this, take a step towards this trigger that you're thinking about. This person, situation, word, whatever it is. And just notice how it feels. See if you can expand this light that you are to include the trigger, to include this challenging situation or person. And then continue the expansion of light further and further out. Let it fill the entire room you're in. The whole building you're in. Let it fill your town, your country, and the whole planet. And as you expand your light to fill everything around you, keep this challenging trigger within the light and see if you can take more steps towards it instead of away from it. And simply notice how it feels. Maybe the sensations are shifting. The initial sensations that you felt before you turned into the pillar of light, maybe they're shifting somehow, maybe not. In any case, just continue this vision or this knowing. And you can continue repeating, I am the light. I am the light. I am the light. Your breath soft and quiet, really easy, nothing is forced. Keep your challenging trigger in your vision, including it in your field of light. Now we're going to repeat the Ho'oponopono verse 3 times together once again. This time we're going to direct it towards your trigger. It doesn't mean that you are asking forgiveness from the trigger or condoning this whatever situation, behavior. You're just clearing your own thought patterns, limiting beliefs around the situation by repeating the verse. Again, I'm going to repeat the verse myself, making pauses in between lines so that then we can repeat it together, sending our collective energy of Ho'oponopono, harmony within and without, towards each individual trigger that every one of you is holding in their vision. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a nice cleansing breath in and out. And bring your hands to your heart. And decide whether you want to stay right now as this expansive, spacious light field that covers the entire planet, or if you want to kind of fold this light back into your heart as if you're switching off a flashlight, just remembering that you always can press the switch back on. Make your decision, do what you need to do, and when you feel ready, bring yourself back, open your eyes. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.